Today, let's take an in-depth look at the 4-pack 3km SC Connector SFP Module, a robust and versatile transceiver module designed for high-performance fiber optic networks. Whether you're upgrading your data center or enhancing your enterprise connectivity, this SFP module offers a reliable solution for maintaining seamless communication over single-mode fibers. The module operates at a data rate of 1.25 Gbps per second, ensuring you can handle everyday data tasks with ease. One of the main standout features is its impressive reach of 3 kilometers, making it ideal for medium-range connectivity needs. The dual wavelength capability of 30-10-50 nm and even interchangeability of 1550-30-10 nm further adds to its flexibility, supporting various network configurations and ensuring compatibility with diverse network setups. This multi-wavelength feature is particularly beneficial in round-trip transmission schemes, where one wavelength is used for transmitting data and the other for receiving. An added advantage is the ease of installation. The module comes in a pack of 4, delivering one paired set that can be seamlessly integrated into your network infrastructure without hassle. It is specifically designed for use with single-mode fiber SMF cables, ensuring optimal performance and minimal signal loss over the specified distance. This particular design choice is key. Paired with the simplicity of the SC connector type, this module is both user-friendly and optimized for performance. In practical, real-life scenarios, users have reported that the SFP module performs reliably, offering stable data transmission even in environments that require continuous connectivity. The module indeed delivers on its promise of supporting data-intensive applications, ensuring that issues like packet loss or connectivity drop are kept to a minimum. However, like all products, it is not without drawbacks. The primary consideration may be its limited reach compared to higher-end enterprise solutions. And while 3 kilometers is sufficient for many applications, some users might require a solution with a longer reach or higher data rate. Therefore, it's best suited for organizations with moderate distance requirements. When comparing it to similar products available in the market, the 4-pack 3km SC Connector SFP Module offers a balanced combination of affordability, ease of use, and technical performance. While there are transceivers with extended reach or higher baud rates available, few match this module's price-to-performance ratio, especially for small to mid-sized network environments. To get the most out of this product, it is advisable to pair it with high-quality, clean single-mode fiber cables, ensure proper cleaning of the SC connectors, and perform regular maintenance checks. Overall, this SFP module is a practical choice for network administrators and small IT teams seeking reliability without a premium price tag. In summary, if you need a straightforward yet efficient solution for a 3-kilometer range, this SFP module is well worth considering.